John, here. Open it again.
Open it up, John.
For the camera.
What do you got?
What is it?
It's
No way! A cape?
Yeah,
Well, let's put it on.
Let's try it on. That will be first.
Okay.
And I'll go home.
No, you're not going to help. No, that's his to open. Okay.
I'll go home. That's the cake. I'm going to throw the cake.
Have you grabbed the cape?
And then I need my mask.
That's what Evie can do. Go up to the closet and get the mask.
Get it.
You know where the mask is, Evie?
Evie, yeah, you said
Okay.
you saw it.
Get that, Evie, get the mask.
Oh, it's
Go.
in my bedroom. That's all right. No. I don't think you'll be able to reach it, honey.
I'll go.
get it. It's okay.
The Batman cake.
Hold on.
Oh, the Batman cake.
Mommy will be able to get it.
Okay, what is it? What a Batman
Oh my
cake
gosh,
looks
this is quite the thing, John.
Batman, it's Batman.
Are you Batman, John?
You can pause it for a second if you want.
Evie, you helping out here, huh?
Batman. It's Batman. It's Batman. Wow, now I'm Batman. Now run around in that keep a flying. It's Batman. Look, okay, now run.
Run back to the red chair.